Christmas is a time for gifting, and what better gift to give than one that you have made yourself. Now, if you've got kids, these are actually really good activities because it'll keep them busy, even if just for a little while. So let's kick things off with sweet, salty, spiced nuts.
Bing.
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 We're going to transform these pecans and walnuts into irresistible Moorish nibbles that you'll be immensely proud to give. That is, if there are any left. Combine oil, sugar, syrup, sesame seeds, cinnamon, chili, and salt in the Philips Airfryer baking accessory tray. Add nuts and then stir. Place the tray into the Philips XXL Smart Air Fryer. Set temperature to 160 degrees and the time to 10 minutes. Press the dial in to begin cooking. Now just give it a quick stir and then cook for a further 5 minutes or until golden brown and very fragrant. Remove from the air fryer basket and sprinkle with a little extra salt. Then all that's left to do is set them aside to cool completely. And that gorgeous spiced toffee will harden as it cools. Then you can break it into smaller pieces. Now it's time for some bickies. I'm talking air-fried bickies. Now these Parmesan and Rosemary bickies are an absolute cinch to make, and they've got that really luxurious feel that'll look like you've just picked them up from that specialty expensive food store down the road. Put butter, Parmesan, rosemary, flour, and salt and pepper in the bowl of a food processor. Process until the mixture comes together in clumps. Then knead it into a ball. Roll it out to form about a 5 mil thick, rough rectangle. Then pop it in the fridge to chill for about an hour. Using a ruler, cut 24 5 by 3.5 centimetre rectangles from the dough. So now you have the basic bickies and you can absolutely cook them off just as they are. However, I like to dip just one side of each in poppy seeds for that extra special finishing touch. Firstly, dip them into some egg white. This will act like glue. Then you can coat them in the poppy seeds. Arrange 12 biscuits inside the basket and 12 on the double layer rack. Place the rack carefully inside the basket. Set the temperature to 180 degrees and the time to 7 minutes. Press the dial in to begin cooking. And I love that there is no preheating required, saving me time and money on electricity. Carefully remove the double layer rack with the biscuits on top and set aside. Cook the remaining bickies for a further 3 minutes. Remove the basket from the air fryer and set them aside until the biscuits have cooled completely. Not only will your lucky recipients enjoy these simply as they are, but they will also transform a cheese plate or antipasto platter into something rather special. And finally, a little sweet treat. Now, these are Italian-inspired Christmas biscuits, and they're made using just a handful of pantry staples. What I also love about them is that they are gluten and dairy-free too. Pistachio and Cranberry Amaretti biscuits. Start off with egg whites in a large bowl and then beat them until stiff peaks. Stir in almond meal and caster sugar, cranberries and lemon zest. Then roll the mixture into balls. Squash each ball just slightly. Press one of the flat sides into pistachios and cranberries. Then press the base and sides into caster sugar. Arrange 9 balls in the basket. Place the rack on top and arrange 9 more on top. Set the temperature to 160 degrees and the time to 10 minutes. Press the dial in to begin cooking. The top layer of Amaretti should be golden, firm on the outside and soft on the inside. So remove the top rack, including the Amaretti, and set them aside. And then let's cook the base layer of Amaretti for a further 4 minutes just to get that beautiful golden colour. And then just let it snow. I do love these biscuits. They're that perfect combination of crunchy on the outside but chewy in the middle. The best of both worlds. So whether you're making just one or all 3 of these gifting goodies, your very lucky recipient will be absolutely thrilled to receive this box. They'll definitely taste the flavour, but they'll also taste all that love that you've so generously poured into making these. Merry Christmas from our family to yours. Oh, and for more recipe ideas, download the Philips NutriU app. It's free to download, and with over 500 recipes, you're sure to find just the recipe you need.